Hello again, year 4, continuing with our focus of division. So, quick starter for you here. 49 divided by 4. Can you, on a piece of paper quickly, try and use the bus stop method for that question? And here, if you have the time, you can complete the question as a whole. Okay, so equal number of each bulb are put into 4 tubs. So how many of each bulb will be in each tub? So I've already done what it would look like there. So daffodils 49 divided by 4. Of course, you'd need to do tulips 63 into 4 tubs. So divided by 4, 98 into 4 tubs. So 98 divided by 4 as well. You can do that question as a whole, or you can just try this question here as a bit of a starter. I'll pause the video now. Okay, so we had 49 divided by 4. 4 goes into 4 one time, no remainders. 4 goes into 9 2 times, 4, 8, and I have 1 left over. 8 to 9, I need to add 1. 63 divided by 4. 4 goes into 6 once, and to get from 4 to 6, I have a remainder of 2. 4 goes into 23 5 times, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And to get to 23, I need to add 1, 2, 3, 21, 22, 23. So I have 3 remainders. And then you can see that there for 98 divided by 4. So, key vocab check again. Divide means to share into equal groups. Sometimes, of course, we have remainders. Synonyms: share, groups of, split, partition. This question here, 609 divided by 3, it might also say how many groups of 3 fit into 609. Can you split 609 into 3 groups, etc. So today we're going to be progressing our knowledge into dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, but we're still going to be focusing on the bus stop method. Okay, I'm going to show you pictorially, but I really want you to try and mainly focus on the bus stop method and trying to use that to answer your questions independently. Okay, so what we can do is we can drag these over. So 100, 100, 100, equal amount, 100, 100, 100. So we have an equal amount of hundreds. That's brilliant. So 200 in each section. I don't have any 10s, so I'm going to move straight to 1s. Equal amount so far. Equal amount so far. And it looks like we are going to have 0 remainders. Amazing. So I have 200s and 3 1s in all 3 groups. So 609 divided by 3 is 203. Let's look at that in the bus stop method then, because I've got 0 in the middle. We haven't seen questions like that yet, so pay close attention. How many times does 3 go into 6? 3, 6, twice. How many times does 3 go into 0? 3 is bigger than 0, isn't it? So what I would normally do is I would move this number over here, but because it's a 0, we can just skip straight past it. So I can just put 0 and move on to my next number. How many 3s go into 9? 3, 6, 9, 3. So I get that answer of 203. Let's try this one here. Let's start with our hundreds. Share those equally. Hundreds, success, equal groups. 10s. Oh, not quite with my 10s because I'm going to have these left over now. Think about what we can do. We can exchange those for 1s. So my 2 10s there became 21s. And this may take quite some time, so I'm not going to do it all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to the bus stop method here. So how many 4s go into 8? 4, 8, 2. Are there any left over? No, so I can just put 2, no carrying. How many 4s go into 6? 4, 8 is too many. So 4, are there any left over? Yep, I need to add 2 to get to 6. So 4 goes into 6 once, remainder 2. How many 4s go into 24? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So 6 times. So 864 divided by 4 is 216. Let's try another one here then. This one is really, really important because how many 5s go into 1? 5 is bigger than 1. So what I need to do is I need to put a 0 because it doesn't go into 1. And I need to carry my 1 over to here. So I now have 11. If this number here was a 4, I would have to carry a 4 over. Okay? Let's try and move that back. Perfect. So now, how many 5s go into 11? 5, 10, 15's too many. 5, 10. So 2 5s, and I've got 1 left over. So 2, remainder 1. How many 5s go into 15? 5, 10, 15, 3. So 115 divided by 5 equals 23. Hopefully you're becoming a lot more confident now with the bus stop method. What I would like you to do is try and use the bus stop method to answer these questions here. Can you please do this? There's not a scaffold for the maths at the moment because it's just the bus stop method for you to draw the boxes and then take a picture and upload them. There's not really a scaffold that would benefit you majorly, but what I have done is in resources, I've saved a multiplication grid to help you with your times tables if you need it. Okay, next question's coming up. You've got a few word problems there. I'm posting lots of questions at the moment. Only do as many as time allows. Leave yourself 5 to 10 minutes at the end to check over your answers, maybe try and correct one that you got wrong. Next questions again. Lots more word problems. I'm not going to read them all out. You can just pause the screen if you have time to answer them. And your answers are coming up now. Well done. If you managed to get all of these questions done, that's a really efficient use of your learning time. Whatever you managed to get done, I'm sure you're resilient and hardworking. So excellent job. See you for English.